we're going to Disney. Today our trip to Magic Kingdom is looking for a specific bag, and we're not sure if we're gonna find it because it was on sale like about a month ago. And you know these Loungefly collection bags disappear like this, but we're going to be on the search for it. The mission today. In addition, I would really like to try and ride Splash Mountain if I can, but we're gonna have to see because it is Friday. We are going later on in the day, so let's see how it goes. Wish us luck. Monorail update. Check this out. They give you the number, you stand at that number, and then you stay in your own little car.
You're driving, bro. Say, see you, Space Mountain. Damn, look at that roller coaster, bro. Damn. Is that Tron? Dude, that's Tron, bro. Holy crap. Wow. Yo, that looks crazy. Mira, look, mama. Hey, mama. Mira, look. Say, hey, mama. Hey, mama, bye. See you. Let's go.
Got hit with some Disney magic right now. They let me in the fast pass lane, guys. Oh my God. Yeah, just one. Thank you. Can I record this? I do not know. I'm such a pussy. But let's see. Oh my god. Oh! Oh shit. Okay. Okay. I got soap. I got soap. Joke's on me. I'm literally soaked. It was so worth it.
It's actual. Everything is satisfaction.
And just like that, there goes another trip to Disney, the most magical place in the world, Magic Kingdom.